Hi guys, this is Tri with Inlays Protective Solutions. Today we have a Porsche Macan. We're going to use PremiumShield new Elite NexGen 72 film for the full hood in one piece. Normally I do this hood in 60-inch, but today we'll try with the 72. So guys, now we have the film on top of the hood. I'm going to go ahead and stretch everything out and tack the four corners. First, at a corner, either side, driver's side or passenger side, tack it to the door. Then you go to the opposite side. Do the same thing, just stretch it a little bit. Squeeze it down, the corner in the bumper, stretch it. You want to watch the film to make sure you get rid of all the fingers on the sides and in the front. Stretch down, tack it to the bumper. Same thing on this side. You want to stretch out until you get rid of the fingers in the center and in the front. Then stretch down. A couple of fingers are okay because you're going to readjust it as we go. So now I'm going to cut a relief on top. Readjust this side. Spray some more slip underneath, so on pre-tack. We'll readjust right here to get rid of these fingers in the close to the wheel well. Adjusting again. That sucks. I'm gonna cut some of the wheel well out. You know there's some fingers still here, so I'm gonna go ahead and stretch that out also. So far it seems easier with the 72 than you do with the 60. There's some fingers on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. But first I gotta put some more slip in it. It's already pre-tacked. You guys notice these fingers right here? I'm gonna go ahead and pull it down. I can't pull her down. Stretching down the center. Trying to get rid of these fingers. go ahead and cut a circle around here, around the headlights, so I can get some of this unstuck and spray some more slip into it. Cutting a circle relieves some tension and also allows you to use a hole to put more soap and slip underneath the film. So there's still fingers in the center right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull down, stretch down. What I'm doing now is trying to get most of the air out so I can start squeegeeing. I like to start at the top, do the edge closest to the windshield. I'll seal it off. And work my way down. I'm using this bio line as a guide to where to stop squeegee and when to squeegee. I like to flush out the edges where all the soap is at with alcohol so you get a better tack. Now I'm gonna move all this moisture to the back towards the door. There's some pre-tack spots, loosen it up. Go from the front, squeegee towards the back. Working way down towards the wheel well. Some fingers here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some alcohol. Spray some slip. Same thing on this side. Move all this moisture and air to the back. Make sure your film's still floating and not pre-tacked anywhere. Got a couple spots, gotta undo. Start from the front, squeegee back. A couple of dry spots, gonna pop it loose. Flush out the soap. Go pre-tack spot. Gonna pop it. flushing with alcohol. I'm using this body liner here to hide the lift. Push up the edges. Always do a wipe down to go over what you just did to make sure you didn't miss any moisture. That's the biggest thing that people miss, is doing a wipe down. See how I missed some of this moisture here? I wouldn't have gotten it if I didn't do a wipe down. Some right here, I'm gonna push it out. That's it.